What's happening now is that we got 4 ducks from a farm today, and Big Poof and Roundy are chilling and kind of curious about the ducks, and the ducks are getting settled, and so we're going to show you how this is working out.
Well, this time we got some girl ducks, so we think it's 3 girl ducks and 1 boy duck, so 4 ducks total. And they're Khaki Campbell Buff Orpington mix, possibly 3/4 Khaki, 1/4 Buff. So we don't really know, but we'll see in the months, weeks progressing. And they're about 2 months old right now. So we did not raise them. They haven't really been handled a whole lot, so it's hopefully going to be a little bit more of a hands-off relationship.
Yeah, whereas we love all the love that our 2 other ducks give us, they are very needy.
They're bonded. They're bonded.
These other 4, they'll be great for the garden and they'll be great companions for our ducks, but they might be a little bit more hands-off for us.
Hopefully. That's the hope.
So this is the end of October. They're 2 months old. It'd be a little bit late in the year to do ducklings because of the being too cold with the weather outside. But these 2-month-old ducks are a little bit smaller than Roundy, so that's good. We didn't want them to be outsizing our besties. And we'll see how this goes.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, ready. They were so quiet.
You ready for the other one?
Okay. Did they go inside the duck house?
Yes, they did.
Oh, Big Poof noticed something's going on over here. She was in the pool. She was in the black pool. Now Roundy's coming over. Everyone was so quiet.
What's that?
There they are. It's okay. Oh, there's a couple of fresh poops here already.
Yeah, I bet there are.
And they're kind of hiding in there. All right. Well, I think we can just let them be for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Their food's over here, and we can put that in a smaller dish. They can kind of get to know each other. Roundy's over there too. Oh, Roundy's giving her their happy chirps.
Yeah.
So I have a slight spoiler alert because I'm reviewing the videos while putting together, this video. And it's about a week later now, and the integration of the new ducks into our current duck team has worked out pretty well. The new ducks were about 2 months old, so they're fully feathered, but they don't have all their flight wings yet. And our older ducks were both about 2.5 years old. We actually did try to integrate a drake into our flock earlier in the year, in the first week of April, but that didn't work out so well, so I wanted to call out a couple of the differences this time. First of all, in April or May, that's when drakes are the most aggressive, so this was a learning for us that that's not really a good time to integrate a drake into a flock. And secondly, the drake in April did not have access to a lot of pools or kiddie pools or ponds from the farm that it came from. Now, it was detached from its original flock. They'd all been sold off, so we were rehoming him. But we ended up rehoming him again to a farm that was in need of a drake just like him, and they were used to having drakes like that. When drakes mount a female duck out of the water, the potential for leg injuries is greater, and our female ducks just were not used to that at all. So now that it's at the end of October, beginning of November, this is more of a time when ducks are looking to meet new ducks, maybe form a pair in the wild. And so it's just a naturally more receptive time for them to accept new people into their flock. As well, at this point, we have 2 ducks. Back then we had 3. So maybe the 2 ducks were feeling a little bit more lonely, more accepting of new flock mates or teammates. The rest of this video shows how our ducks were getting along within their first day or 2, but I realized that things did get better. This is normal behavior. And then we'll make more videos about the integration process as it goes on. When we let the 4 new ducks out of the boxes, we kept them inside the enclosure, separated from our 2 ducks. This let them get used to each other without the risk of contact. Tail wagging is a good sign. The fact that they're willing to even look at us without running on the other side of the house is also a good sign. Looks like it's the drake leading the way. Will anyone follow?
We'll see.
Oh, we've got one follower. But we have a laggard. They're waiting for the laggard. Will they or won't they go outside? Their first meeting. Oh, Big Duck shows her beak. And then she says happy noises. Hi everybody, you're so close to us. Well, you're kind of cornered though. You could take this path back to your duck house.
This is so entertaining.
Oh, Roundy's following them.
Oh, Big Poof, what do you think? No, Simmy.
She just wants to see them.
She's in her pounce mode. No. Simmy. No. 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 Hi, cutie. You wanna go out?
Oh yeah, I think we have a water bowl over there where the ducks are now, right? Can't see it on camera though. You're looking at me. You always were the movie star, right? Roundy's the ambassador that stays with Big Poof and goes with the other ducks.
Yeah. I'm torn.
Although, I mean, the other ducks would go by Big Poof if she didn't
Yell at
snarl at them. It's okay, now you got more ducks to hang out with when you want to.
I see.
Before we end this video, I want to let you know that we're going to create a playlist to let you know about the integration of the new ducks to our team. That way you can follow along in our journey. If you have any questions, tips, or comments, please let us know in the comments of the video, and we'll try to get back to that in the next video, if not in the comments. If you like this channel, please subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe so that we can try to get to 1,000 subscribers. And do like the video because it helps the video reach more people.